The 100% installation of thermal conductive material for heat dissipation is one of the value-added quality improvements Jasper makes to Ford's 6R60, 75, and 80 transmissions. The transmission control module can overheat on 2006 through 2010 versions of the 6R60, 75, and 80. When this occurs, the TCM can fail, trigger multiple DTC trouble codes, and put the transmission into failsafe. The Jasper solution is the 100% installation of thermal conductive material placed between the TCM and the valve body. This improves heat dissipation, eliminating the chance of TCM overheating and TCM failure. Thermal conductive material for our remanufactured 6R60, 75, and 80 is another way Jasper provides peace of mind for you and your customer.